Last episode, we created Skunk Monster Truck. Now he needs our help. Get ready for an art adventure. Welcome to Imagination Art Station. Last week, we created Skunk Monster Truck, and now he's rocking and ripping through the desert. But Skunk Monster Truck has found an obstacle. He needs a way to cross this canyon. Now, monster trucks love ramps. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's draw a ramp for Skunk Monster Truck and drop it right here. And if Skunk Monster Truck is going to do a jump, then we've got to give him something to crush. So let's put a car here. Once we have those in place, Skunk Monster Truck can jump over the canyon. That's the plan. Let's get to work. All right, the ramp will be a basic triangle shape. We'll put some grooves on the top to give it grip, so it's not slippery, kind of like the treads of a tire. The ramp will be built from steel. Steel is a really strong metal alloy used to make buildings. It's even used to build trains. We'll give it bracing to make the ramp even stronger. Bracing is also used when making buildings. We'll finish it off with some nuts and bolts. They will hold everything together. Let's give it some color. Steel is usually a gray color. That looks pretty good. We'll color the grooves with orange stripes to remind Skunk Monster Truck to be extra careful, like construction cones. Let's add some shading. And we have a ramp. Let's drop it in. Awesome. Now we need to make the car. Skunk Monster Truck is gonna love this. We can draw anything we want for Skunk Monster Truck to crush. Some of my ideas were an airplane, cheese, a plunger, lawnmower, and even a toilet. But I finally decided on a car, because monster trucks love cars. Let's check on Skunk Monster Truck. Hey buddy, you ready to go? Okay, we're almost finished. Hang tight. Let's add some shading to the car. Nice. We'll finish up the wheels. They look good. Add the glass. Don't forget the door handle. Let's give it some color. I'm thinking blue. This will help it stand out so Skunk Monster Truck can aim for it. Finish up those tires. Color the headlights, the trim. Polish it up, and done. Let's drop it in. All right, we're ready. Skunk Monster Truck, put it in reverse and back up. Okay, I think we're ready.
Go time.
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! That was awesome. Okay, Skunk Monster Truck, show us the car. Job well done. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you liked it, consider subscribing. And until next time, have fun and be creative.